In a hidden corner of England, where craftsmanship meets obsession, the world's most exclusive car is born.
Today, we step inside a world very few will ever see. Here, every movement is intentional, every touch precise. This is the birthplace of the Rolls-Royce Droptail, the world's most expensive road-legal luxury car.
A Droptail begins as raw elements, metal, carbon, wood. But in this place, they transform into art.
The surface roughness on this section seems slightly off-spec.
Let's run the scan again, focusing on the trailing edge.
Every Droptail begins with a unique code, its fingerprint. This choreography of machines marks the true beginning of the Droptail's creation. Every curve is engineered with emotion. Perfection is checked again and again. Deviation, 0. The Droptail's body is a fusion of aerospace carbon fiber and handcrafted artistry.
This is where strength meets elegance.
Every cured component is treated as a masterpiece from the very first moment. Even the smallest flaw is unacceptable. The Droptail's skeleton begins to take shape. Laser alignment ensures the chassis is symmetrical to microscopic levels.
Light-assisted curing locks the structure with unwavering rigidity.
Dozens of sensors monitor every millimeter of the chassis merge. Balance is not measured, it's perfected. The Droptail meets its first milestone of perfection. Here, raw aluminum becomes the Droptail's elegant silhouette.
Human touch ensures each panel feels alive.
Every surface must be flawless before color ever touches it. The preparation stage is where true perfection begins. Climate control ensures each coat cures without a single imperfection. Each piece now awaits its transformation into the world's most exclusive road-going sculpture. Dust is the enemy of flawless paint, and here, nothing is left to chance. These strokes are the beginning of the Droptail's iconic presence. These strokes are the beginning of the Droptail's iconic presence. Every microlayer determines the richness of the final white coat. This is not just paint, it is the Droptail's identity. A unique formula crafted exclusively for its owner. Hand refinement elevates the finish from perfect to transcendent. This is where brilliance emerges. Now, the Droptail is ready to take shape. Every step from here will bring the Droptail closer to life. The heart of the Droptail awaits its perfect skin. Every curve must merge seamlessly with the Droptail's sculpted form. Torque values are tuned with obsessive precision. Laser inspection ensures absolute symmetry.
The smoothness is not accidental, it is engineered.
Luxury begins with nature's finest materials. Luxury begins with nature's finest materials.
The bonding process ensures the wood remains perfect for generations.
The bonding process ensures the wood remains perfect for generations.
Every cut follows the natural grain to preserve softness and strength.
Every cut follows the natural grain to preserve softness and strength.